Hello, you may have seen some dramatic headlines about an ex-hurricane on the way to the British Isles. And it is true that later on Sunday, the remnants of ex-Hurricane Gert could bring some heavy rainfall for western parts of Britain in particular. But it may also impact the jet stream, helping to direct it further north and allowing drier weather to arrive for the middle part of next week. The jet stream, a current of air high in the sky, tends to act as a conveyor belt, picking up low-pressure systems and moving them around the globe. And during the last few weeks, that jet stream's been stubbornly sat to the south of the UK, and that's meant that we've seen plenty of low-pressure systems come our way. But on the other side of the pond, and on the warm side of the jet stream, Hurricane Gert has formed in the tropical waters of the Atlantic. Now, Hurricane Gert is on the move, and it's not uncommon for hurricanes at this time of year to move north and join forces with the jet stream. As that happens, they become ex-hurricanes. That will happen on Friday. Ex-Hurricane Gert will just transform into a typical area of low pressure, the type that we're so used to seeing in the United Kingdom. If it's just a typical area of low pressure, due to arrive later in the weekend, why do we care that it comes from a hurricane? Well, there are several reasons why it's slightly different to another type of low pressure. The first is that hurricanes tend to be small, intense features, and that means that it's difficult for computer models to precisely get a hold of where they're going to go, and very small alterations in their path during the next few days will lead to big differences downstream by the end of the weekend. Also, ex-Hurricane Gert will carry with it the remnants of all this tropical moisture. Now, by the time that arrives in the UK, it will be translated as a spell of heavy rainfall, moving into western areas later on Sunday. So some especially wet weather to end the weekend in the west especially, but also the energy that ex-Hurricane Gert carries with it could have an impact on the shape of the jet stream, helping to kick it northwards and allowing high pressure to build in. Not at first next week, but it looks like from Wednesday that high pressure could increasingly influence our weather.